Hi Cybertruck fans, I'm Ellie with T-sportline, and we've been wrapping a lot of Cybertrucks in different shades of blue, and today I have another new color to share with you. Check out pure satin blue rock. Satin blue rock is definitely a satin finish, which I love doing on a Cybertruck, and it's got those blue colorways, but it's also got some grays in it, and depending on if it's in the sun, or if it's out in the shade, or it's out at night, this wrap really changes its color, and it definitely looks super cool on a Cybertruck. Satin blue rock complements really nicely with all the bumpers and the wheel arches, and this satin black cladding that's already on the Cybertruck works well together. And this customer wanted to add a very special touch. They requested that we install orange Foundation Series badges in the two front fenders and the rear tailgate, exactly where it normally says Foundation Series. He wanted this little bit of orange touch. Pretty cool. Works nicely with the satin blue rock. Now let's get into the wheels. So while we sell a lot of wheels at T-sportline, and we are the leader in Cybertruck wheels, some customers just don't want to change their wheels. They like the original wheel, and the only thing they don't care for is the fact that, as we all know, we took delivery of our Cybertrucks with the center cap area exposed, the lug nut covers exposed, and it's quite an unfinished look. Here's the solution, easy and extremely affordable. These are our center hub cover set for the factory Tesla wheels. So this is one piece that just clips right on, fits perfectly in there, and then you've got a center cap. This customer loves T-sportline and chose to go with our T-sportline center cap. But you could actually put a Tesla center cap in there if you wanted to. But why? It doesn't say Tesla anywhere on the Cybertruck. Interesting thought. Anyway, this is what the customer wanted to go ahead and do with the stock wheels. Looks cool, cleans it up. The wrap is done, special Foundation Series badging, window tint of course, and we are all done, except for one more thing. T-sportline has been recognized by Carfax as a certified authorized shop to go ahead and apply PPF film to your vehicle and have that added resale value. When you go to sell your Cybertruck, most buyers go to Carfax and they check out the history of the vehicle. And while you'll tell them that you wrapped your Cybertruck, telling them that you had it done in PPF by T-sportline is an added value because that will be listed on your Carfax. Pretty cool. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel if you haven't already. We have so many more amazing Cybertruck videos coming your way soon.